My MBA program was enriching and stimulating for me. I have learned a lot, both professionally and personally. I am Suat from Turkey, and I am doing my MBA in University Canada West. Before University Canada West, I have worked in logistics sector for 15 years back in Turkey, and now I am also in logistics sectors with one of the major companies for telecommunication in Vancouver. Even though I had a successful career back in Turkey in logistics, I wanted to step up in my career, having an international master's degree in business administration. As an international student, you face with many struggles because you have to adapt a new country, a new educational system, but University Canada West offers you extensive programs, not only for academic purposes, but also in your personal life. Vancouver and Canada are incredible places to live and study. Their natural beauty, cultural diversity, and opportunities for growth, it's one of the best for a newcomer. I would advise new students coming to University Canada West not only take the lessons, but also take part in extracurricular activities and join the networking events. I am extremely satisfied with my choice to move to Canada and in particular Vancouver. I find my experience transformative and I feel well equipped for my future business goals.